You don't get used to loud noise. It gets inside you, and it doesn't leave. You probably think your ears adapt, that your brain tunes it out. That's not what happens. First, your body panics quietly. Heart stays elevated. Muscles never unclench. Even when you try to rest, your brain stays on guard. Hours in, sleep stops being real. You drift, but never shut down. Thoughts loop. Small sounds feel violent. Then your hearing isn't the only thing breaking. Memory slips. Focus collapses. The noise starts feeling personal, like it's aimed at you. And the strange part, even after the sound stops, your nervous system may keep screaming.